What's the meaning of ATV? ATV. ATV.
ATV. ATV. ATV stands for all-terrain vehicle. It is a type of vehicle designed to handle a wide range of terrains and environments, including rough terrain, forests, mountains, and water. They typically feature 4 large wheels and a low-pressure tire system that allows for better traction in difficult conditions. ATVs are popular for recreational activities such as off-roading, racing, and hunting, as well as for work purposes such as farming or forestry. Overall, ATVs offer owners the flexibility to explore and navigate areas that are difficult or impossible to access with other types of vehicles.